We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from people that are happy and satisfied, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior service. This is also one of our favorite reviews, very inspiring. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.